Are you ready to build wealth, but feeling lost? Common mistakes are holding you back. Don't let years slip away. This isn't about abstract theories, it's about real-world traps. Discover the pitfalls beginners often fall into, preventing financial freedom. Learn actionable strategies to avoid these costly errors and get on the right track. This knowledge will empower you to make smarter financial decisions. Today, uncover the secrets to building wealth, avoiding the pitfalls, and finally achieving your financial goals. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Many stumble, often due to common pitfalls. Today's economic climate adds complexity. Impulsive spending, poor investment choices, and a lack of financial literacy are frequent obstacles. Understanding these mistakes is crucial. Imagine the missed opportunities, the lost potential. This knowledge equips you to navigate challenges and build a solid financial foundation. Fundamental concepts like budgeting, saving, and smart investing are essential for lasting wealth. Start building your knowledge today. Unlock your financial potential. Subscribe now and join the conversation. Your feedback and comments are valuable. Learn from others' experiences and share your insights. Continued learning is key. Let's build wealth together. Understanding common mistakes is the first step. A clear goal: avoid these traps. Scenario: impulsively buying a trendy gadget instead of saving. Solution: create a budget. Prioritize needs over wants. Another mistake: chasing high-risk investments without research. Solution: diversify, focus on long-term goals, and understand your risk tolerance. A common question: how much should I save? Answer: aim for 10 to 20% of income. Adjust based on your circumstances. Don't be afraid to start small. Another question: where do I begin? Start with a budget. Track expenses, identify areas to cut, and create a realistic savings plan. Consistency is key. Finally, don't isolate yourself. Seek advice from financial advisors or mentors. Learn from others' experiences. This knowledge is crucial. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom and want to discover the steps to financial freedom, start now and transform your mindset with the Modern Millionaires. Link in the pinned comment, and be sure to watch until the end of this video for actionable tips and strategies. Imagine this: you've diligently saved for a down payment on a house, only to find your savings depleted by unexpected expenses. Or perhaps you've poured your hard-earned money into a promising investment, only to see it plummet in value. These are turning points, moments when the path to wealth building can be derailed by avoidable mistakes. The problem? A lack of understanding. Beginners often fall victim to impulsive decisions, failing to prioritize long-term goals. This leads to missed opportunities, wasted resources, and a feeling of being stuck. The conflict? The constant pressure to make the right financial decisions without the necessary knowledge. This is where the urgency arises. Immediate action is needed to avoid repeating these costly mistakes. Understanding these pitfalls is not just beneficial, it's essential for navigating the complexities of wealth building. This is your wake-up call. Time to learn and grow. Take control of your financial future. Understanding budgeting is fundamental. Allocate your income to needs, housing, food, and wants, entertainment. Example: if your monthly income is $3,000, allocate $1,000 to housing, $700 to food, and $500 to entertainment. The remaining $800 is for savings and debt repayment. Next, prioritize saving. Even small amounts consistently compound over time. A simple example: saving $100 monthly for 10 years with a 5% average return can grow to a substantial amount. Third, avoid impulsive purchases. Develop a waiting period, E. This helps curb emotional spending. Fourth, understand the power of compound interest. Start early. Small, consistent contributions can lead to significant growth over time. Fifth, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore various investment options, stocks, bonds, real estate, to mitigate risk. Finally, be patient. Building wealth takes time. Avoid chasing quick fixes. Focus on long-term strategies. Consistency and patience are key. A common challenge: sticking to a budget. Solution: use budgeting apps or spreadsheets. Visualizing your spending helps. Scenario: you're tempted to buy that new phone. Strategy: write down the pros and cons. Consider if it's a need or a want. Another challenge: fear of market fluctuations. Solution: diversify your investments. Allocate funds across different asset classes. Scenario: you're losing money on a stock. Strategy: don't panic sell. Review your investment strategy and hold on to your investments unless your investment thesis has fundamentally changed. Overcoming emotional spending. Create a spending journal. Track your emotions when you make a purchase. Identify patterns. Scenario: you're feeling stressed and buy a new pair of shoes. Strategy: practice mindfulness techniques. Engage in activities that help manage stress, like exercise or meditation. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a race. Patience and consistency are crucial. Set realistic goals and celebrate your progress. Overcoming obstacles requires adjustments and a flexible approach. Beyond basic budgeting, consider financial literacy courses. They equip you with advanced concepts like compound interest, inflation, and different investment vehicles. Case study: a young professional who took a financial literacy course learned about diversifying investments and avoided the trap of putting all their money into a single high-growth stock. Another crucial aspect: seeking professional advice. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance based on your specific circumstances and goals. Case study: a couple saving for retirement realized they needed a tailored investment strategy. They consulted a financial advisor who helped them develop a diversified portfolio aligned with their risk tolerance and long-term goals. Avoid the trap of comparing your progress to others. Focus on your own journey and celebrate small victories. Case study: a beginner investor who initially felt discouraged by slow progress realized the importance of consistent saving and investment. They celebrated each milestone and continued to build their wealth, driven by a clear vision. Learning from mistakes is a powerful tool. Reflect on your experiences and adapt your strategies accordingly. This ongoing learning process is essential for long-term success. The key is to adapt, learn, and grow. Financial experts consistently highlight the importance of budgeting. Studies show that individuals with a budget are significantly more likely to achieve their financial goals. For example, a recent survey by the National Endowment for Financial Education revealed that 80% of respondents who budgeted regularly reported feeling more financially secure. The real-world implication: a well-structured budget prevents overspending and fosters financial stability. Similarly, data suggests that impulsive investment decisions often lead to losses. Research from the Investment Management Institute indicates that investors who react to market fluctuations with impulsive decisions often experience lower returns. The implication: a well-defined investment strategy based on long-term goals is crucial for achieving financial success. Moreover, the lack of financial literacy contributes significantly to financial struggles. Studies by the Federal Reserve show a strong correlation between financial knowledge and positive financial outcomes. The real-world implication: continuous learning and financial education are vital for navigating the complexities of wealth building. By understanding these mistakes, you're not just avoiding pitfalls, you're setting yourself up for a more secure and prosperous future. Investing in knowledge is an investment in your future. A common question: how do I stay motivated? Experts suggest setting realistic goals and breaking them down into smaller, achievable steps. Think of it like a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrating milestones, no matter how small, keeps you going. Another doubt: what if the market crashes? While no one can predict the future, a diversified portfolio can help mitigate risk. A good rule of thumb: don't put all your eggs in one basket. A final concern: how do I avoid emotional spending? Try the 24-hour rule. Wait 24 hours before making a major purchase. This gives you time to reflect and consider if it's truly a need or a want. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It's about making smart choices, learning from mistakes, and consistently striving for your goals. Experts agree. The key is a combination of financial literacy, discipline, and a long-term perspective. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive into the next steps. Key takeaway: building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Avoid impulsive decisions, prioritize saving, and develop a strong financial foundation. Budgeting, consistent saving, and smart investing are crucial. The benefits: financial freedom, reduced stress, and a more secure future. Next steps: create a realistic budget. Start saving consistently, even small amounts. Research different investment options. Seek professional advice if needed. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Join our community for ongoing support and resources. Let's build wealth together. Share this video with someone who could benefit from these insights. Your financial journey starts now. Reflect on this. Building wealth isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about building a solid financial foundation. Avoid the common pitfalls, and you'll be well on your way. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Don't be afraid to ask questions, seek advice, and embrace the journey. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your financial goals. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your wealth. The future is yours to shape. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on your financial journey. Share this message with someone who could benefit from these insights. Let's build a stronger financial future together.